सेल कल्चर फैसिलिटी में हुड्स के अलावा जो सबसे ज़्यादा दूसरे नंबर पे कह लीजिए इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है, दैट इज़ इंक्यूबेटर. Incubators are required in any kind of cell culture facility. अब incubators का size matter करता है because the size of the and number of the cell culture flask, battery plates, it is variable. At some time we are working with couple of the flask, some other time we may need to have more than 6 or 8 flasks depending upon the nature of the experiment. So the size of the incubator should be large enough. फिर इसमें जो temperature variation है, that should not be more than plus minus 0.2 degree centigrade, because under variable temperatures cells behave differently. So in order to have the consistent results, we need to have very precisely controlled temperature incubators so that the cells don't undergo any kind of thermal stress. Then these incubators should be stainless steel, because stainless steel incubators are easy to clean. They don't undergo the corrosion, because जब हम सेल कल्चर के हवाले से लेके बात चलते हैं, then we are basically talking about humid conditions, humid atmosphere, and humidity can cause corrosion of the other types of incubators. Therefore the stainless steel incubators are preferred. और इन incubators को frequently scheduled cleaning करनी चाहिए, because long term non cleaning can cause the contaminations. और एक दफ़ा अगर कंटेमिनेशन की तरफ कोई इंक्यूबेटर आ जाए तो इसको फिर क्लीन करना और इसको ऑप्टिमाइज करना इज़ अ टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस. हमारे पास दो किस्म की इंक्यूबेटर्स हैं जिनको हम लैब में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दीज आर ड्राई इंक्यूबेटर्स एंड ह्यूमिड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इंक्यूबेटर्स. ड्राई इंक्यूबेटर जो हैं, इन दीज इंक्यूबेटर्स एज फार एज प्राइस इज कंसर्न, दीज आर मोर इकोनॉमिक. लेकिन इन इंक्यूबेटर्स की एफिशिएंसी के हवाले से जब हम देखते हैं, इनमें जो ह्यूमिडिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए वी नीड टू प्लेस अ वाटर ट्रे, एज यू कैन सी हियर, एंड दिस वाटर ट्रे इज द सोर्स ऑफ ह्यूमिडिटी. अब यहाँ पे जो आती है क्वेश्चन ऑफ कंसर्न आता है दैट such incubators, they don't have a precise control over the atmospheric condition. Sometimes depending upon the temperature, humidity can be higher, humidity can be lower. If there is no water in the dish, then the situation can become dry and the cells can undergo the stress because of low humid conditions. The expensive one are the humid carbon dioxide incubators. They are precisely controlled humid incubators. That means the environmental conditions, they are very well maintained. The cells are not at the risk of having any stress of the humidity present or humidity absent. Then the carbon dioxide tension, increased tension of the carbon dioxide is there. Incubators के बाद जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एरिया है सेल कल्चर फैसिलिटी का, दैट इज़ अ स्टोरेज स्पेस. अब अगर हम समराइज़ करें और अगर लिस्ट बनाएं तो हमारे पास डिफरेंट किस्म के जो रिएजेंट्स हैं विच आर इन द लिक्विड फॉर्मेट, which are in the chemicals category. Then we have some consumables which are disposable pipettes, flasks, gloves, then glassware, then specialized equipment which may be required for the cells, different cells. So we have a large amount of supplies. Depending upon the nature of the supplies, we need to have a storage. हमारे पास glassware, plasticware, gloves, these can be stored at room temperature, in the bench, in the drawers, anywhere in the lab. But the chemicals, the enzymes, the media, these things needs to be stored as per given instruction. For that purpose, we may need to have a large cold room in order to store the culture media at 4 degrees centigrade. The bulk amount of such reagents are used in the lab, so the culture media storage or the storage room is a must thing in the cell culture facility.